Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. And look who I got here. I got that speakerman from the Skibidi Toilet universe. And today we'll be unboxing him. So at first, look at the model. The look behind who's with him. And I rate it like the box. And we can like somehow put the parasite toilet in here. But how? We will see in today's videos. So like first let's unbox him. So okay. Right at first thing fucking one block from box. Damn it. Now we got our Titan speakerman here. Our greatest Titan speakerman. Now we put this out. Let's end with the parasite toilet. How did he come in there? Titan speakerman. Yes, and he's like very cool. His motto is pretty cool, even though. And here, somewhere in the chest, or maybe in the core, we need to put maybe somehow, but I don't know how. Wait, how to unbox this? How to unbox this, David? Okay, let's do it later. Let's do it Skibidi Parasite. First, let me look. How do I get him out of wait, so I needed to pull it. Look at this amazing Skibidi Parasite, dude. Now, wait. So somewhere here I need to open it. But how? Oh wait, I see something up there. Shit. How does this work? Guys, it's my first unboxing and I just got it today. Oh wait. Look. Now we got the booty parasite inside here. Yes, I got it right. And now yes. Now we got our Titan speakerman here and the parasite toilet inside of there. So yeah, maybe I will buy in the Skibidi store on the Vagbomb's channel because here in Cousin will rename it the channel in the Skibidi. Maybe I will buy some next stuff for the unboxing. So bye.